Hello everybody, welcome to another video. First off, excuse the mess, we're redoing the room in here, so in the flooring and the walls and everything, so just don't mind that. But anyways, we've got an exciting thing. We've got another unboxing to do. It's not as big as the Simplex unboxing, but we do have a whole bunch of Wheelock fire alarms to unbox today. And so we're just gonna get going into it. So I'll unbox this, and I'll see you when we have the box open. Now the moment of truth. Look at all that. We've got some Wheelock RSSs. We've got Wheelock ASs. So these are the fire alarms that I ordered. There should be, I believe, there should be about 10 in here, if I'm not mistaken. Got one. And that is the fire alarms that I have unboxed. I know in the last unboxing I tested out. We're not going to do that today just because you will see it in the next system test. Unlike the Simplex True Alerts, that was kind of unsure if you were going to see it. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.